Welcome to the Mobil Trend channel. Subscribe now.
Roush Performance has launched the 2018 Roush Super Duty F250, an aggressive off-road truck that adds upgraded, raised suspension, beefier wheels with all-terrain tires and other features to the Ford base model. Roush says it's the first time it has entered the Super Duty market. Its distinctive looks start with an aggressive new grille with integrated accent lighting and a Roush logo. There's also a front bumper cover. Roush says it retains compatibility with Ford's adaptive cruise control, and custom body color fender flares, also with integrated accent lighting, to add to the aggressive look. Diesel versions get a stainless steel DPF back exhaust system with large dual tips for optimal sound. Roush has also fitted the Super Duty with the Fox 2.0 Performance Series suspension kit that raises the suspension by 1.5 inches for extra ground clearance, and 20-inch wheels fitted with BF Goodrich KO2 35.3-inch tires. The wheels come with integrated bead protection and are equipped with capped chrome lug nuts and washer bearing surface. A Roush console vault and off-road utility kit are both optional. Inside, there are custom Roush embroidered headrests, a serialized console badge and WeatherTech molded floor mats. Customizable Roush graphics abound and include a Roush USA flag, rocker blackout with accent color and a windshield banner, all available via Roush's vehicle configurator. Roush says the modified truck retains Ford's 18,500-pound towing and 4,250-pound payload capabilities, as well as Ford's 3-year, 36,000-mile factory warranty. Starting price will be $13,880 above the base price of the F250.